Are you ready to unlock the secrets of making massive amounts of money using YouTube? Get ready, because I have an extraordinary opportunity that can transform your life and put you on the fast track to affording your dream supercar in less than 1 year. Get ready to revolutionize your financial future with the power of YouTube. Look at this, you have your own YouTube channel and it's generating an astonishing amount of cash flow. We're talking about a mind-blowing $35,000 every single month. That's right, per month. And the best part, it's not just a pipe dream. It's a proven strategy that you can replicate and achieve the same success. Now let's get into the details. There is a faceless YouTube channel that has cracked the code to success, making an astonishing $35,000 per month with the simple motivational videos, and guess what? You can leverage the cutting edge power of AI technology to automate this, and you can start doing the same. This is the mastermind behind this mind-blowing successful strategy, Lionel Scott. This genius has created an empire with his YouTube channel, captivating millions of viewers worldwide. One of his videos alone has generated a staggering 66 million views, and his recent videos surpass 100,000 views. It is clear that people love watching his captivating content, and now it's your turn to take a little bit of those audience. Because what do? They love watching those videos, so they'll definitely watch another one from a different YouTuber straight after they watch one of his. But how does he do it? Let's go into his astonishing strategy for success. Lionel Scott combines epic movie-like trailer soundtracks, snippets of speeches from renowned figures, on-screen text that amplifies the impact of his words, captivating visuals of people working out and playing sports, and even adds a touch of black and white visuals for that extra punch. And now you're about to discover how you can do this and create your own winning formula. We'll start by selecting 4 to 5 powerful speeches that resonate with you. These speeches will become the foundation of your motivational videos, driving your viewers to take action and reach their highest potential. And don't worry about copyright issues, we have a brilliant solution for that. With the cutting-edge AI capabilities of ChatGPT, you'll effortlessly generate highlights and timestamps for the speeches. It is all automated with ChatGPT. You don't have to go through hours and hours of speech footage in order to find the correct timestamp that you want to cut up. If your chosen speech has background music, that is not a problem. We'll use an AI called Vocally.se. It's an AI program that separates vocals from the music. This way you'll have the raw, powerful speeches at your disposal, ready to captivate your audience. Once you've started making these videos, you might consider taking your YouTube channel to the next level by assembling a top-notch team to manage and grow your empire. Whilst this may involve a cost, it opens up a world of possibilities. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork offer access to a pool of talented professionals who can handle various aspects of your channel, from video editing and graphic design to content creation and audience engagement. By investing in skilled individuals, you can elevate the quality of your videos and provide an even more captivating experience for your viewers. While it may impact your $35,000 per month income, the potential for a higher quality content and increased growth is worth considering. Start with AI as your foundation, and as your channel gains traction, gradually build a team to expand your reach and impact. Now, let's get into the secret sauce of this video. Open up CapCut and import your speech snippets. Add epic soundtracks that elevate the emotional impact of the speeches. Make your viewers feel like they can conquer the world. Enhance the visuals with close-up shots, slow motion effects, and vibrant colors that ignite excitement and inspiration in your audience. But we're not done yet. We need a touch of professionalism to take your videos to the next level. Open Pictory, a powerful video editor, create a new project, import the text file generated by ChatGPT, and let your creativity run wild. Choose an appealing font that aligns with the theme, atmosphere of your video, craft visually captivating designs, and enhance the powerful words spoken in the speeches. Pictory allows you to make videos using AI, so you don't need to do the CapCut method. The CapCut method is only the free method, whereas Pictory you pay for the premium, and then you can let AI do everything for you. It'll import text, import videos, and guess what? If Pictory imports a video and you don't like it, then you can change it yourself, or you can just let the AI run wild and you can mass produce these videos. Once you're happy with your video, export it and get ready to upload it. Make sure that your title is SEO friendly. For example, if you're doing a speech of Morgan Freeman, put Morgan Freeman motivational speech and then the topic. That way you have some sort of SEO in your YouTube video. And it's important to highlight the description. Maybe even create a Discord channel, Discord group, like I've done with the Growth Guild. Funnel people into there and then build a community around your YouTube channel. The key for this is consistency. Upload at least one video every day to grow your audience and maximize your earnings. With dedication and the right tools, you can achieve massive success, just like Bin Lionel Scott. The sky's the limit with this. And that dream supercar, it's within your reach in less than 1 year if you keep going. Remember, I've got a Discord community, the Growth Guild. Join it down below. I'd love to see you in there. Send me a message with any questions you may have, and I'll see you in the next video.